Hi guys, this is Junior. I want to wish all the beautiful women out there, the mothers, I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day, especially my beautiful sister Tiwa Savage, my auntie Remy, and my very close sister Beyonce. I want to wish you a very happy
Junior, so you are now become Bow you are doing Bow challenge up and down, even on Mother's Day.
Dad.
You are claiming Beyonce, Tiwa Savage, and Remy Martin. Have you woken up this morning and come to me, your father, to say, Daddy, oh, happy Mother's Day?
Dad, it's not Father's Day, it's Mother's Day.
I am not a mother, I am a father. Tell me, where is your mother? Tell me, where is your mother? Ask the people of the Instagram. People, have you ever seen his mother before? Do you know anybody that is this foolish boy's mother? I am the father, I am the mother.
Dad, when you are not kidding Jenna.
Wonder you fire that your mouth. Nonsense. Use that same phone that you are using to do hello, happy. Use it to post a picture of your father and you say, Happy Mother's Day, Daddy. Yes. Nonsensical nonsense. Kangaroo, bloody fool, idiot. Oshisko.